Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, to show you how to make a better fly trap today. It's summertime. People are going in and out, in and out. The doors and windows open and closed. And flies get in. Even if you try so hard with screens, we've all had a fly or two or more swarming around or even outside where we don't want them. They're bugging us at our picnic or whatever it is. You need to know how to make your own wonderful fly trap at home with things you probably just have around the house. Here's how to do it. Start with apple cider vinegar, and you want to put a cup in a mason jar. You can also do this by putting it in like an empty liter plastic soda bottle. Okay, a cup of the apple cider vinegar, half a cup of water. Obviously, if you're paying attention, you can do this in any increments. You could do half a cup and a quarter cup, but in this case we're doing a cup of cider, half a cup of water, quarter cup, half again, of sugar, and a little spritz of dish soap. Just a little tiny bit, a couple of drops, that's all you need. Now you're going to cover it with some kind of plastic like saran wrap or some kind of plastic wrap, Glad wrap, and then in this case I'm using a mason jar just because it's cuter. And I'm putting the ring on it. That'll hold this really tight right here, see, like a little drum. But then, how do the flies get to it? Easy. Pop some holes in there so little flies and even fruit flies can get in there to this stuff they can smell. You know how they say, you catch more flies with honey than with vinegar? Well, no you don't. Now, just swirl this around and you're ready to go. Just set it out of the way where you want the flies drawn to, and they'll go in there and you'll be through with your flies. You can have a little fly funeral. And that's how you can get rid of your flies. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, subscribe, scroll through. There are hundreds of life hacks on here. And go to my website, JoniHilton.com. See you later and next time.